Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about logarithmic functions, and they are used in finding out powers. Okay, so for example, if I have a log, just a simple example demonstration, log of base A of B give me C. Okay, so what is the equivalent? What is the equivalent statement of this guy here? Well, that would just be I have a base of A raised to the power of C that will give me the value B. Okay, so that's the equivalent statement. Okay, and we always use the equivalent statement when we're trying to solve for values like C. Okay, which is the power exponential. So before we get into an example, let's just have a look at some of the laws involved with logarithmic functions. So the first one would be if I have a log of base A, and A here gives me 1. So what this means is um, this would mean A raised to the power of 1 will give me back A. Okay, that's simple. So let's have a look at another law. So log of xy, x times y will give me log of x plus log of y. Okay, and the same goes for log of y divided by x divided by y. That will just be log of x minus by the log of y. Okay, and then the last one, which is the if I have a log raised to the power or x raised to the power, that will just be log of x but with an n in the beginning. Okay, so for example, if you have log of 3x, that would just be x to log of 3. Okay, so let's have a look at an example where we just solve a basic log function. So for example, if I have a log of 6 and 216 here, and I want to know what is my power. What is my power? Okay, so I need to solve this. So first of all, I need to convert this into the equivalent statement, which is 6 raised to the what power will give me 216. Okay, so if we log both sides, so log of 6x equals to log of 216. So this guy here, I can simplify this into x log of 6 equals to log of 216. Okay, so therefore x will be equals to log of 216 over the log of 6. So if I bring up my calculator, okay, so log of 216 divided by log of 6, that will give me 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Okay, pretty simple. So let's have a look at another example. So again, I need to solve for the variable x, yeah, the unknown. So what I do is I log both sides. So if I log both sides, plus 2 equals to log of 260. So again, I can simplify this out into this. So x plus 2 log of 3 is equals to log of 260. Okay, so therefore x is equals to log of 260 over log of 3 minus 2. Okay, so if I bring up my calculator again, so log of 260 divided by log of what? Log of 3, and then minus 2. So it's 3.06. So x is equals to 3.06. Okay, so it's quite if you just memorize the rules, these functions, these laws here, okay, so these are very important when it comes to solving uh, these logarithmic functions. Okay, so let's talk about common logs and natural logs. So common logs are when you're trying to solve for anything that is not to the base e, yeah, then you use common logs. Okay, so for example, if I have e to the 2x minus 3 equals to 167, in this case you wouldn't use log, right? You wouldn't use this 3 equals to log of 167. You wouldn't use that because you have a base e here. Okay, so whenever you have a base e, you need to use what is called the common log, natural log, which is ln. Okay, so instead of writing log, you write ln on your calculator. Okay, so this actually should be ln e to the 2x minus 3 equals to ln 167. Okay, so we know that that will be 2x minus 3 ln e equals to ln 167. Now ln e, that is just equals to 1, right? Because natural log exists on base e, right? So base e to the e is equals to 1, just like how you have log 10 of 10 is equals to 1. So that would just be 2x minus 3 equals to ln base e, remember it's all base e, 167. So therefore x is equals to ln 167 minus or plus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so that would be ln 167 plus 3 divided by 2. So it's 4.05. So that equals to 4.05. Sorry, it's 4.06. Okay, so again, if you guys have any questions with these logs, please feel free to contact me on the discussion board. So this is it for this lecture. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave me a message on the discussion board, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible.